How to sell stocks on Cash App Invest. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to sell stocks on Cash App Invest. Open or launch the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. Next, tap on the home icon or bank icon. This will take you to the bank section where you will see options that are related to money. From there, scroll down and come to the Explore section. Under the section, there are more options. From those options, tap on the one named Stocks. You will then be taken to this page where you will be able to see the stocks you own. To sell a stock, you first have to tap on the individual stock. Once you do that, this other page appears where you will see some important information about the stock, such as the graph of the stock, the price changes it has gone through in terms of days, weeks, months, or years. Also on this page, in the bottom section, there are two important options named Buy and Sell. To sell the stock, all you have to do is tap on the Sell option here. Cash App then asks you to confirm your action by requesting you to enter your Cash App PIN. The request will then go through. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to sell stocks on Cash App Invest.